Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online for NEET as a dropper. First, set up a dedicated study space to minimize distractions. Next, create a consistent daily schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Gather all your study materials, including notes, textbooks, and online resources. Finally, define clear, achievable goals for each study session to maintain focus and track progress effectively. To master concepts, focus on deep understanding rather than rote memorization. Practice a minimum of 100 multiple-choice questions every day to reinforce learning. Critically review all incorrect answers to pinpoint areas needing more attention. Regularly take online mock tests to simulate exam conditions and improve time management skills. This consistent practice is crucial for success. Leverage the vast array of online resources available. Select a reputable online coaching platform that aligns with your learning style. Actively participate in doubt-clearing sessions to get your questions answered promptly. Make full use of high-quality video lectures and comprehensive study notes. Consider joining online study groups to discuss concepts and learn from your peers. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to avoid burnout. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine to stay refreshed. Finally, maintain a balanced diet to keep your energy levels stable throughout your demanding study period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.